Big gains today across the board, long almost everything. Good trading in the portfolios. 50K was up on the day, 1.6K, so plus 1600 on the 50K portfolio. And the 200K portfolio was at 5 figures today. Good day. We've been due for one of those. We've gone through some drawdowns, and so we have a nice 5-figure day with current market prices right over. It's over 10K right now, so I'll just say 10K because we have a long position in gold, a long position in ES that's still open, so plus 10K in the 200K portfolio. So nice trading today. Classic gap continuation, felt like a bear market reversal rally. Well, let's take a look though. It doesn't really matter if it's a bear market or bull market, if the trend's up or down. Our strategies can trade it long or short. I anticipated lower prices. We got higher prices, so it's nice to be profitable even when what you anticipate is different. And this is the NASDAQ, this is the S&P with the VIX. VIX got crushed today. One of the biggest indicators is the VIX, and advanced decline line was around 1700. Ticks were around 0 after the first hour of trading. Back and forth over 0, trended down slightly and then went up at the end of the day. Making sure the trend held, looked like it was going to roll over here. So the bulls have it for now. We'll see. One of the things I've noticed last time there was a CPI surprise, inflation was higher than expected. The market also rallied. The bulls are basically saying inflation is overbought, and we'll take that. We'll short inflation by buying stocks. And so what's also interesting is that gold and crude oil traded higher today as well, continue to trade higher. So it'll be interesting to see this seesaw back and forth. Interest rates, bonds traded higher too. So markets have the tendency to like bonds trading higher. Lower interest rates. Let's go over the trades on the day. I just want to point this out, how much overlap there is in this downtrend. So you see these uptrends, they're a little bit more smooth. There's a little bit of separation in price in the uptrends, but the ranges are bigger than the difference in prices. So much overlap. The market tries to sell off here. What I mean by overlap is how much of today's percentage range is included in the previous day's percentage range. So say for example, this range does not include much of this day's range, and you see that in nice trends on these daily charts. You see lots of overlap. You get a little bit of a sell-off there, then you get 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 days in a row of overlap, 6 days, and then you get one day where it does trend down. This day right here on September the 20th, and then there's a couple of days of overlap. Then it booms right back here to this range, and then it chops there. Then it comes back down, and then it spends about 5 or 6 days here, and then it's trying to make it back up here. So just lots of liquidity down here to support this market. Trend lines aren't usually this recognizable and don't usually repeat this nicely. It's machine-like repetition. Usually once you spot the trends, it doesn't usually last much longer. Obvious trend line here from this point. One really easy trend line, 2, 3, 4, and you get 5, 6, 7. Try to repeat it on 8, but it's kind of breaking down here. So this pattern should break down one way or the other, break upward, break lower. Those are just my thoughts. We trade our strategies. I like to talk through things because it gives me strategy ideas, and I want to share those with you. Trades on the day: Cobra 3 plus 912.50 plus 575. Cobra 3 profit target, adaptive moving average plus 1650. 60-minute breakout still in this trade plus 1700. AT 2019 plus 1650. ES2 plus 2812.50. Tick fader minus 625. NASDAQ strategies: Cobra 3 plus 1275. Cobra 3 profit target plus 1375. Gap continuation plus 320. Stock index swing plus 475. Tick pulse V12 plus 1825. Tick count trend plus 765. AT 2020 plus 2205. And we got some of these in the 200K portfolio and 50K portfolio. In Q2, 60-minute breakout A plus 1475. 60-minute breakout B plus 2805. PR breakout minus 325. VSD long only plus 4065. VSD long short minus 2665. EVP1, it took this trade right at the end of the day, and it was down $25. Gap continuation big stop loss plus 725. Cobra 3 big stop loss and profit target plus 1375. Viper 2008 plus 845. Natural gas, no trades. RBOB, no trades. Crude oil was a highlight on the day. We had SR counter trend 2 days in a row plus 475. And then gap fill in reverse, picture perfect trade, I guess you could say. Don't usually get to see a trade that nice. We don't try to pick tops and bottoms. Trying for perfection is difficult, but sometimes we get trades like this. So nice day in gap fill in reverse, crude oil plus 915 on the day, and let's see, plus 475 on SR counter trend 2. And let's go back to gold. Asia Gold 4 got in on this trend. Gold's up, crude oil's up, stocks up. Some of that's been working. Sometimes when crude oil rallies, stocks sell off, but it's more related to interest rates. Bonds have been up. So Asia Gold 4 up, open position plus 660, plus 660 on Asia Gold 4 2020. And silver, no trades. Copper, no trades. We got in on this long trade, got out of time exit right there. Would have been nice to capture that move for 2 days. Euro currency plus 68.75. Soybeans down on the day, minus 375. And this is our new strategy, soybeans day trader 3 2020. We're looking to actually swap that out or add it to the 200K portfolio. It did not trade today. It's more selective. And then you have SR counter trend 2 soybeans plus 275. We didn't trade that one. Optional, here are the old. We've been trading 60-minute breakout short. These old tick back NQ and ESB, if you have the All Strategy Access, have been doing really well. We took them out, had a more selective version. You don't see, it only wins 20% of the time, 14 winners, but it just has a tendency to capture some huge gains, especially on some gap continuations. So might consider this strategy right here, right now, as the market is down and may run to new highs now. It's tricky to know. If you look at, it looks like it's about halfway between these highs and these lows, and it's discounting inflation. So we're in earnings season. Maybe this market runs up. One other strategy we've been trading is 60-minute breakout short. We didn't trade that one today. That's a good thing. Just a straight up move. Straight up move in the stock indexes. Once again, good trading day. Here's a crude swing. You see there's a crude swing, open position in crude oil. Crude oil is sitting up here at highs. Talk of $100 crude oil and higher potentially. So good trading day, up about 1.6K in the 50K and up about a little more than 10K right now in the 200K portfolio. And those are the trades on the day for October the 14th, 2021.